If we're ever in a meeting and I start talking about E3, I'm not playing Battleship. I'm talking about a program by the EPA for a technical assistance framework. Essentially, the program is to reduce your environmental footprint and/or your energy footprint in a manner that gives you an economic benefit. Those are the 3 E's: environment, energy, and economics. The reason you'd want to be concerned with E3 and where E3 would intersect with your company plans is if you have initiatives maybe in sustainability. Maybe you have energy situations where you go out and you walk in the plant and you see something and you go, we are wasting a lot of energy there, whether it be natural gas, whether it be electricity. Or maybe you look at that dumpster and you see a dumpster full of stuff that you're paying to get hauled off and you go, why are we, this is good. Why are we paying somebody to take this and throw this away when we're just filling up dumpsters with it? This has to have some value. If you come across a situation like that, that's prime candidate for an E3 project. A few years ago, we were working with a company that was a food manufacturer. They had dumpsters full of eggshells. Nobody wanted them. They had to pay to get them hauled off. Every week, another dumpster full of eggshells to the landfill. We were able to find somebody who wanted those eggshells for the calcium. With some minor modifications done to the eggshells, they were viable and they were sold to that other client. Another project on a similar vein, a company that had wood scrap, piles of wood scrap. When I say tons of wood scrap, I literally mean tons of wood scrap, piles in their yard. They were using it for heating their factory, but they still had a lot more. We were able to put them into the business of making wood pellets. Those wood pellets that go into furnaces all across the nation. They're big in northern states. But we took something that was going into the waste stream, something that was filling up piles of trash in a dump, and converted that into cash in their wallet. If we were to come in to your plant, walk through that with you, you can point out things that you think might be viable candidates. Maybe we'll see things that you don't necessarily consider as a viable candidate for like an E3 project or a similar type project, but we might see something else that you don't. We might see something that you're throwing away that we find that's something that someone else is buying on a regular basis. We can be eHarmony. We can put you two together and we can make a happy marriage in manufacturing. Call Missouri Enterprise and we'd be happy to come in and help you with your E3 projects. Prenuptial agreements not included.